Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Hi my dear children, how are you? All are fine? Yes. Children, if you want to convey some message, how will you convey? Yes, you'll convey the message through mail, letter, WhatsApp. No. Yes. Like that, in olden days, we used a letter to convey the message. Today, you are going to read the lesson which is related to letter. Shall we move? Yes? Children, before moving to the lesson, let me tell you the gist of the lesson. Okay. In this lesson, you are going to read about the little girl, okay, whose name is Meena. Meena writes a letter to the grandfather Nanu. Okay. She is asking his well-being and about the grandma. Okay. And she's sharing the information to grandfather about the new student. Okay, how she became a friend to the new student and how she introduced to other friends, how she spoke about the school. Okay, all those information she's sharing through letter. And in turn, grandfather is replying a letter. Okay, grandfather is replying a reply letter to Meena. Shall we see this now? Yes. Listen, children. Meena calls her grandfather Nanu. Okay, how she calls her grandfather? She calls her grandfather Nanu. He is her mother's father. Meena wrote a letter to Nanu about her new friend. Okay, read what she wrote. Children, Meena means it's a common noun or proper noun or pronoun. Can you tell me? Here Meena is a proper noun and calls means verb. And what is the feminine gender of grandfather? Grandmother. And again Nanu, proper noun, he, pronoun. Okay. Likewise, when you're reading a sentence, you should think that is whether it is a pronoun, common noun or proper noun. You should know that. Okay. Then only you'll learn more grammar. Yes. Shall we move to the lesson? Yes. See here, when you're writing a letter, at the top left side corner, you have to write the date. Okay. Then write dear friend or dear grandfather or dear Nanu likewise. Okay. Here in this lesson, she is writing a letter to the grandfather Nanu. So dear Nanu, a new girl joined our class today. Miss asked her to sit in front and told the class to show her around and be friends with her. But nobody spoke to her. She was wearing a pretty bracelet and had a new bag. She wore her hair in two long plaits tied up with ribbons. Manu and Asim stared at her plaits. Then they whispered to each other and laughed. She must have felt uncomfortable because she looked away. See what happened now? She's writing a letter. She's sharing the information to the grandfather that a new girl joined to the class. Okay. And the teacher told her to sit in front and told to introduce herself and about the friends and share the information about the school. Okay. But nobody spoke to her. And the new student was wearing a pretty bracelet and a new bag. Okay. And she was wearing two plaits, long plaits tied with ribbons. And Manu and Asim, what they did, they stared at her plates. Okay, on seeing the plates, they whispered something to each other and laughed at her. So Meena thought that new student felt uncomfortable because she looked away. Looked away means you can see the meaning here. Looked the other way. On seeing her vision, Meena can understand that she was uncomfortable. Okay. Listen here. Gauri said she looked proud and stuck up. She looked proud and stuck up means she looked as if she thought very highly of herself. Okay, I thought she looked lonely and sad. She did not know anyone. So I went up to her and said, "Hello." The new girl smiled and suddenly looked happy. I asked her to sit next to me and we started talking. I was glad that I had said hello because she is a really nice person. The funny thing is that she too is called Meena, short for Amina. She has come from Mumbai. Her mother is going to work here. What Gauri is telling, Gauri is another student in the class. She is telling that that new student is thinking herself proud, okay, highly of herself. And but Meena's thinking that that new student looked so lonely because no one is speaking to her, no. So her face is looking so sad, and she did not know anyone. If you are a new student, how do you feel? You feel that it's very you feel very difficult, uncomfortable, uneasy, no, because you don't know anyone, no one is speaking to you, so you feel lonely. Likewise, the same student also feeling. Okay, so Meena decided to go to her and she's saying hello. Okay, and the new girl smiled. Okay, and she looked happy because she was talking with her. No one spoke, but Meena spoke. Okay, and she's telling to sit with her, and they started becoming friends. They started talking with each other. Okay, and Meena felt glad because she said hello. She was a really nice student, nice person. Okay, and the funny thing is that she too is called Meena. Her name is also called Meena, short for Amina. Her full name is Amina. Okay, and she has come from Mumbai because her mother is going to work here. Children, can you tell me? Went. Went means the past tense of go is went. Okay. Yes, the past tense of go is went. Are is also a pronoun. Okay. And thought. The past tense of think is thought. Okay. Happy, sad. The opposite of sad is happy. Okay. And smile. The past tense of smile is smiled. Okay. What is the opposite of smiled? Cried. Okay. And ask, asked. Past tense of sit is sat. Okay. Start, started. Okay. Glad. Glad means happy. Yes. She too. How we have to read this? You have to read together. She too. She too is called Meena too. She too means she also. Okay. Her name is also Meena. And Meena is a proper noun here. Okay. And she pronoun like this. You have to verify what are the things, whether it is a noun or proper noun. When you're reading, you have to check. Okay. And Mumbai. Mumbai is a proper noun. And her means it is a subject pronoun. Okay. Mother means it's a common noun. Clear? Whether it's a present tense, past tense, you have to think while reading. Okay. Shall we move? Yes. Listen, children, we have become good friends and are interested in the same things. We plan to do things together. We have also decided to call ourselves the Meena Duo. Isn't that cool? What happened? They became friends. They are interested in same things. Okay, whatever Meena likes, same thing that new student also likes. So they became friends, and wherever they go, they went together. They were sharing each other. Okay, and they decided to call themselves as Meena Dio. Okay, you understood, children? Yes. And she ends the letter with how are you and Nani. Okay, Nani means grandma. When will you visit us? I really miss you both. Meena's missing the grandfather and grandmother, no. So she's asking when you're coming to my home. With lots of love, your loving granddaughter Meena. Like this, you have to end the letter. Okay. Children, you understood this? Yes. What do you mean by look forward to? Eagerly wait to. Okay. And see, nowadays you can convey the message through mail. No, you know to send the message to in the mail. Yes. Okay. Very good. Fine. Fine, children. See, now read the letter that Meena's grandfather wrote in reply. Okay, now grandfather is sending a reply letter to Meena. The date 19th July 2020. Dear Meena, I'm so glad that you spoke to the new girl. It is very difficult when you first go to a new place. Meena must have felt scared and lonely. You made her feel welcome. When you are warm and friendly towards people, they also show their love and affection for you. I'm really proud of you. What grandfather is replying in that letter? He's telling that I'm very proud of you, Meena. Your what you have done is very good, okay? Because you have to go and speak to the new one. When they are new to the class, they feel scared, lonely. So you should welcome them. And if you're friendly, they also feel friendly. And if you show love, other one also should love, show the love to you. They show affection for you, okay? And Nani and I are busy making different kinds of snacks and sweets for you. When we are through, we will pack them all in a big box and come to Bengaluru. I look forward to meeting the other Meena. What is saying? We were busy in making different kinds of snacks and sweets. When we are coming to Bengaluru, we'll bring that in a big box. Looking forward. Look forward to means? What do you mean by look forward? Yes, eagerly waiting to see the Meena. Okay, with lots of love. Yours lovingly, Nanu. Like that, grandfather ends a letter. Okay, you understood, children? Yes, grandfather is replying a reply letter to Meena. What was that reply letter in that? What was the reply letter, ma? Yes, he was asking. That is, he was he was feeling very much proud of Meena because she's going and talking, introducing herself to the new one. Like that, we also should do that, okay? Because they feel lonely. No? Yes. Listen, children. Children, you understood this? Yes? Okay. Thank you, children.